Here is Genesis chapter 4, the Cain and Abel story. Eve gives birth to Cain and Abel. Cain was a farmer, and Abel was a shepherd. One day, Cain and Abel bring offerings to the Lord. The Lord accepts Abel's offering, but rejects Cain's. He gives him a chance to redo it. Instead, Cain gets angry and decides to kill Abel out of jealousy. The Lord punishes Cain. He punishes him by making the land on which he farms no longer fruitful to him, and he marks him so that his vindicator may receive his punishment sevenfold. 5 generations later, Cain's descendant, Lamech, also murders a man. Lamech self-proclaims that whoever shall kill him shall receive Cain's punishment only 77-fold. This goes to show how much sin was brought into the world by Cain and his descendants upon generations. Later, Adam and Eve have another child named Seth. He is the appointed seed of the family. This seed was supposed to be appointed to Abel. Later, Seth has a son named Enosh, and his descendants begin to call upon the Lord and is one of the first generations to call back upon the Lord since Cain. We'll see you next time for chapter 5.